This is the Serica dive chronometer, reference 5330. Here is how to use it, care for it, and make sure love lasts a lifetime. How to install and secure your PLD strap. The reference 5330 comes with a secondary PLD nylon strap. Hold the strap facing you, with the hook positioned at 12 o'clock. Place the watch head on top of the strap, then turn it over to access the back of the lugs and reinstall the spring bars. Turn the watch back over. Slide your hand through the closed loop, then bring the excess length across to the other side and insert the hook into the movable ring. You can then slide the ring along the strap to adjust it for a perfect fit.